I'm tearing these head downs for Dakota. And I'm pretty happy with them, dude. I bought these like in the early 90s, I think. Or early 90s. Off a van.
It's starting to warm up outside.
The guides are really good. Really tight. Which is excellent. So these things have been sitting around. How long have they been sitting around then? I bought these in like early to mid 90s.
Well, close to 100 years.
Yeah, 100. It's like
maybe 50 years. 20 years.
20 years, 30. Something like that. This is a little big.
I've been sitting on there that long.
It's kind of cool though. This thing here. Yeah. Pretty neat.
Come on, actually. See, I've been retired almost 11 years. You know that?
11 years.
Almost
man.
Huh?
It's only been like 11 months.
For you, huh?
No. When did I? July, something like that, I think. End of July. So how long is that? 10, 11 months. Yep, I didn't use the piece of board, 2x4 and put all the holes in it. We're just using this here. But yeah, there is no play whatsoever in these valve guides, which makes me very happy.
And where do those heads come from? You got those from junkyard or something?
An old Dodge van.
Old Dodge van?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Had a.
In a junkyard?
Yeah, I think it had a 5.9 Magnum in it, and I just pulled the heads off for $50.
Hmm.
$50. Set this in here first to hold it up and as a counterbalance. Let's see how this works out. Now you have to be very careful with that, dude. Just like in the instructions, it'll strip the bolt out.
Well, I wonder why the impact does it so bad.
I don't know, man. I barely put impact on it, and that bolt just stripped.
No, that hammering, that's pretty violent. You know, that's put some shock on it, I guess. I don't know.
This is a lot easier than that clamper, that's for sure.
It worked on that lower shock absorber mount thing.
Oh yeah, this? Oh yeah, it's
well,
got
actually,
some power,
you put the wrench
dude.
on it though and got screwed back in, didn't you?
Yeah. Maybe we can put some juice on it.
My phone doesn't work that good in here.
I know, I got that metal roof on.
Well,
blocks you out.
Well, is it? If I stand by this door, does that help or what?
I don't think so.
It does?
Easy peasy. I'm going to clean these up. I did one of them. Let's see, which one I'll do. And that's pretty good, man. There's no lip, so you don't have to grind that down. Pretty smooth. I am going to, yeah, the back side of these valves is nice. I am going to put a radius on here though for the exhaust, and I do not like how deep of a, man, that's a cc or two right there you're losing just off that valve. But anyway, the guides are good, and that's what I'm liking. Nice and tight, no slack. Okay, we're going to do some bowl work, a little bit of cleanup, maybe your, I know the pushrod pinch on these heads is extremely tight, so I'll blend the bowls, one side of the valve guide, cut it back, then open up the pushrod pinch, and that's all I'm doing.